Let's take a look at this problem. We got 5, -2, 3, 4, -1, 7, -1, 0, -4. 5, -2, 4, -1, -1. Okay. So we'll have 5, -2, 3, 4, -1, 7, -1, 0, -4. Got 5, -2, 3, 4, -1, 7, -1, 0, -4. And we got 5, -2, 3, 4, -1, 7, -1, 0, -4. Okay. Now we can actually pick any row or any column to work with. Our last row would actually be a touch easier, but I'm going to always focus on the first row for purposes of this class. Just make it simpler. 3 by 3, I don't think it saves you a whole lot of work. Our first entry will always be positive. Now this does not have anything to do with the sign it already is. This is an extra sign we're putting in there. So the first one here is always positive, and then it alternates. So this will be negative, and this will be positive. So we're going to have a positive, we'll have a negative, and we'll have a positive. Then we write down whatever numbers that are here. So 5, -2, and 3. Okay. Let's look at our first number, this 5. I'm going to circle at 5, and I want to cross out the row and column it's in. So I cross out this row and this column, and what isn't crossed out is what goes into this determinant right here. So this will be -1, 7, 0, -4. My next number, the -2. We circle it, cross out the row and column it's in, and what isn't crossed out is what goes in this determinant. So we got 4, 7, -1, -4. Our last number, the 3. We'll circle it, cross out the row and column it's in, and what isn't crossed out, the 4, -1, -1, 0, goes in our last determinant. Okay, so we got a 5 there. We're going to cross multiply. So we got -1 times -4, and we got 0 times 7, with a minus in between them. Now here we got negative, that gives us a positive 2. We'll cross multiply 4 times -4 and 7 times -1, with a minus in between them. Plus 3, and then we'll cross multiply 4 times 0 and -1 times -1, with a minus in between them. Okay, so we got 5, -1 times -4 is 4, minus 0 times 7 is 0, plus 2, 4 times -4 is -16, -7 times -1 gives us positive 7, plus 3, 4 times 0 is 0, negative gives us positive, another negative gives us another negative, and 1 times 1 is 1. Well, zeros don't do anything, so it drops away. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2, -16 plus 7 is -9, and 0 minus 1 is -1, times 3 is -3. So we got 20 minus 3 is 17, 2 times -9 is -18, 17 minus 18 gives us -1. And that's our answer.